So over here, you can see that I have a table with a bunch of preset datas. And in a table, what you can also do is maintain multiple seats, that is maintain multiple tabs of seats. So to do that, you can click on edit data. And over here, you can see that over here on the bottom, you have the seat option. If I were to click on the drop down menu, I have an option to duplicate out this seat. So if I were to click on duplicate, you can see that now there are two sheets. So if I were to go around over here, and let's say, for example, double click, I can go around and rename out the sheet as well. So I'm going to type in TutorTube, click on the check mark to set that in. I'm going to go around over here and I'm going to type in, let's say, for example, YouTube, just like this, and click on the check mark. Then this is what you have. So on the top, you got TutorTube and YouTube, as you can see right here, that these are both the same data. So you do not see the change right now. But if I were to go around and then erase out a bunch of stuff, you can see TutorTube and YouTube right here has different set of data right here. What you can also do is you can go around onto the option and clear out all the data as well. So you can see that that tab is actually empty right here. It's very interactive, as you can see as well. You can go around over here and duplicate out, let's say, for example, a tab as well. You can double click. And if I were to go around and type in Google right here and press check mark, then you can see that I got 3 tabs again. So you can go around and enter out the data as well. So if I were to go around right here, you got Google data right here, just like this. So you can click around over here. You can click and click around over here and move it to the right as well to rearrange out the tabs over here as well. And it rearranges out the tab over here as well. So you have all of these options, as you can see right there. So that is how you can add in multiple seats in the table inside of Prezi Design. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.